trades. Let's just go ahead and hop right into it, shall we? So I am copy trading with three accounts. One is with Lucid and two is with Apex. They're all 50K accounts. That's all I trade. I don't trade live. I don't see the point in it. Why would I risk my own capital whenever I can have a better ROI trading, copy trading, funded accounts? So that being said, we're on MNQH 2026. ES has already taken out these highs whenever NQ had not, which is why we have an SMT. So that being said, we all are also generating the sell side as well. So we're kind of in the middle and trying to figure out exactly where we want to go, right? But because of this SMT here, my thought process is, okay, well, we've taken out the highs on ES. We're probably going to go lower and take out some of this liquidity here first before we continue higher on NQ. So this is on the 4 hour. Let's go down to the 15-minute. And so Tuesday, Wednesday, 8:30 we created this data high here, and created this data high. We had 8:30 news. Wait, sorry. That was 9:30. 8:30 right here. So right here, created this data high. We'll go down to the 5-minute. Take a look at ES as well. And we haven't really had much anything in the morning. We just kind of dripped, had this big boner sell candle. Big boner bear candle. Just dripping, and took out these lows. We had dropped 100 points or so and took out the sell side. I wasn't too happy about that. I was kind of hoping that we'd have some more structure so that way I can possibly get into a sell position. But can't always have what you want, right? So, I was just waiting. Wasn't really much happening. I was waiting for a turtle soup to happen on the 5-minute and the 1-minute. We have a 5-minute turtle soup right here. But we never came up and took this change in the state of delivery. We never went above it. So we were just kind of continuing to go lower. And what I noticed was that we had this 1 hour imbalance here we haven't tapped into yet. Keep in mind, we're making our way there right now. But we've just been kind of grinding lower. At this point, it was around here where I was thinking about giving up and just turning the charts off. And I'm sorry if I'm very slow here, but I'm trying to make all of this make sense. We had already taken out the sell side liquidity here, but we have an explosiveness going to the upside, but no turtle soup. And yeah, you probably could have taken this change in the state here on the 1-minute, but I personally get wrecked every single time whenever I see that and then want to go long or short, but in this case, go long because we don't have a turtle soup. So I was waiting for that, and we definitely came down again, created this turtle soup. At this point, I'm thinking that we're going to be going higher. But after I noticed that imbalance and how close we were to it, imbalances, fair value gaps, liquidity, all that, it's just liquidity. And trying to find discount and premium, I went with my gut here, and after we had taken out this high and had this fair value gap, which I think was also a 5-minute. Yep, we had this 5-minute fair value gap, where the bodies are respecting the fair value gap, and the wicks are doing the damage. We also had an SMT up with ES here, where ES took out this high when NQ didn't. It's all starting to make a little bit more sense. So same thing here. So ES took the high when NQ did not. We are respecting that fair value gap. We also took out some liquidity on the 1 minute here as turtle soup, you know. And then created this 1 minute change in the state. After that had happened, then I just immediately took a short and had my stop loss right here. And my profit target was here. And in about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 minutes is how long it took for me to make $1,500. And that's pretty much it. So I'm pretty happy with the trade. I know it happened around 11:30, which isn't the typical time I like to actually start trading, but if you see your model, take it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm trying to get a little bit quicker, faster when it comes to explaining things, but this is still pretty new for me, so I appreciate y'all being patient with me. But if y'all have any questions, if y'all found this insightful, valuable, please leave a comment. And y'all have a good rest of y'all's day. Peace.